stand on an earlier run.
So this is afternoon run number 3.
Brian Burdett picked up a cone on his run as well. That big Mustang, hard to keep on course. Pat Griffith claiming that he's topped Brian Burdett well, and the cones are showing at 41.895. I believe that is back-to-back cone runs. Doing it like the master Pat Griffith. Well, no one can do it like the master Pat Griffith, except maybe Jim Howard. Whoa. You have a lot of cones.
That's